Hello, I'm Logic Bunny, and come with me down the rabbit hole of knowledge.
Ever imagined holding your breath for what feels like forever, completely submerged, and still being able to live? For us humans, that's an impossible feat, a quick path to needing air. But for fish, it's just another day. How do they manage it? We breathe air with lungs, those familiar sacs in our chests. But fish don't have lungs. They have gills. And gills aren't just like little lungs for water. So, what is the real secret to their underwater survival? It's a truly ingenious piece of natural engineering, a biological marvel that allows them to thrive in a world so different from our own. Think about it like this. Just as Bill Nye often shows us how simple machines can make enormous tasks feel achievable, fish gills operate as a biological machine. They are a surprisingly efficient, almost magical filter system. We're about to dive deep into this incredible process, breaking down exactly how fish move from taking in water to extracting the vital oxygen they need. Prepare to have your mind blown as we unravel the mystery, making the underwater world a little less mysterious and a whole lot more amazing. So, how does this whole underwater breathing thing actually work? It's a fascinating dance between water and biology. Imagine a fish opening its mouth, taking in a big gulp. But this isn't like us swallowing air. Instead, that water flows asterisk over asterisk something truly remarkable. The gills. The big question is, how does the oxygen, which is dissolved in the water, actually get asterisk into asterisk the fish? Think of dissolved oxygen as tiny, invisible pockets of air scattered throughout the water. Fish have evolved an incredible system to capture these pockets. Let's look closer at the gills themselves. They aren't just simple flaps. They are intricate structures made up of thin, feathery filaments. And on these filaments are even smaller, delicate folds called lamellae. This incredible design creates a massive surface area. Imagine thousands upon thousands of tiny pages, all spread out, perfectly positioned to catch oxygen molecules as the water passes by. It's a biological structure that maximizes contact, ensuring that as much oxygen as possible can be absorbed. And as we explore these amazing creatures, it's always important to remember to respect their watery homes. If you ever have the chance to observe fish up close, do so gently and with admiration for their unique world. What are your biggest questions about fish or other amazing aquatic creatures? Share them in the comments below. We might just explore them in a future adventure. Here's where things get truly mind-blowing. It's not just the sheer surface area of the gills that makes them so effective. It's the brilliant way the water and the fish's blood flow. This incredible mechanism is called counter-current exchange. You might be wondering, is it really that different from how our lungs work? Well, yes. Our lungs utilize a system called cross-current exchange, which is efficient, but fish gills take it to a whole new level with counter-current exchange. This is like a biological superpower, making them way more efficient at grabbing oxygen from the water. So, how does it work? Imagine the water flowing over the gills in one direction, while the blood inside the delicate gill filaments flows in the asterisk opposite asterisk direction. This constant, opposing flow maintains a concentration gradient. What that means is, there is always more oxygen in the water than there is in the blood. This difference, this gradient, allows for maximum oxygen transfer from the water into the fish's bloodstream. It's a continuous, optimized system. What other amazing biological superpowers have you encountered in nature? Share them in the comments below. Let's discover more incredible adaptations together. It's amazing how life finds a way, isn't it? While gills are the star of the show for most fish, the underwater world is full of surprises. Not all aquatic creatures rely solely on gills to get their oxygen. Some have developed truly unique adaptations. Ever thought, do all fish need to be constantly swimming to breathe? It's a common idea, but it's not quite the whole story. Many fish, like the robust catfish, can actually pump water over their gills even when they are resting perfectly still. They have a specialized gill cover called the operculum that works like a pump, drawing water in and pushing it across those essential gill filaments. But the diversity doesn't stop there. Some fascinating fish, like the lungfish, have evolved to gulp air directly from the surface using primitive lungs. Others can even absorb oxygen through their skin, a remarkable feat of biological efficiency. These variations highlight the incredible ingenuity of evolution, showcasing how life adapts to conquer even the most challenging environments. Do you know any other cool facts about the unusual ways fish breathe or survive underwater? Share your discoveries in the comments. We're always eager to learn from your curiosity. This entire process, from water entering the mouth to oxygen fueling the fish, is a testament to nature's brilliance. It's how an entire world of vibrant aquatic ecosystems can exist and thrive. Sometimes, diving into biology can feel a bit overwhelming, like trying to grasp complex ideas all at once. But think about it this way. Imagine standing in a massive downpour, trying to catch every single raindrop. That's kind of like how fish need to be incredibly efficient at grabbing the oxygen that's dissolved in the water. Their gills are nature's perfect catcher, designed to maximize every opportunity. The why behind this intricate design is deeply rooted in evolution. This highly efficient oxygen uptake allowed fish to colonize and flourish in virtually every aquatic environment on Earth. From the shallowest streams to the deepest oceans, it's a powerful story of adaptation, survival, and the incredible diversity of life that resulted from this fundamental biological advantage. What other natural designs or biological processes absolutely amaze you? Share your wonder and your ideas for future explorations in the comments below. It's incredible to think that the same principles that allow a fish to breathe underwater can teach us so much about design and efficiency in our own world. Sometimes, when faced with complex scientific ideas, it's easy to feel a little lost, wondering if you'll ever truly grasp them. But nature often provides the most elegant and simple solutions to what seem like incredibly complicated problems. Understanding these natural designs can be a huge boost to your confidence in learning. Think about it. The very same principles of maximizing surface area and the cleverness of countercurrent exchange aren't just confined to fish gills. These ideas are applied in human technology all around us, from the radiators in cars that efficiently transfer heat to specialized medical devices designed for optimal function. It's a reminder that the natural world is a vast library of ingenious solutions. Here's a little challenge for you. Think about an everyday object or a process you encounter. Could it be made more efficient? Perhaps by increasing its surface area for a specific task, or by creating a countercurrent flow to improve its performance. Sketch out your ideas. You might just invent something amazing. What everyday mystery are you most curious about decoding next? Your questions are the spark that ignites our discoveries. So please tell us what you're wondering about. So we've journeyed from the initial wonder of how fish manage to breathe underwater to unraveling the intricate and incredibly efficient design of their gills. We've seen how they use that remarkable countercurrent exchange system, a true masterpiece of biological engineering, to extract every possible bit of oxygen from the water. It's not magic. It's a profound testament to the power of adaptation and the genius of nature. In a way, it mirrors the spirit of innovation we see in places like Manuel du Mundo, where simple materials and clever principles are used to build astonishing things. Fish gills are nature's own incredible invention, perfectly suited for their aquatic environment. The world around us is brimming with these kinds of amazing how and why questions waiting to be explored. Never stop asking them. Keep that spark of curiosity alive, keep exploring the wonders of science, and never stop learning. If you found yourself amazed by the secrets of fish breathing today, please give this video a like, subscribe to join us on more incredible science adventures, and share this with anyone else who is curious about the amazing world beneath the waves. Stay curious.